Hey guys, I'm here with Tom Fedie. He drives this very unique Kenworth T680 for K&D Transportation. I don't think you'll see another one like this in the whole country. Why don't you tell us about the few small changes you've made to this 680?
Well, basically it came in all bright silver with a Viper red frame. We added the red and black graphics right away. It was ordered with this wheelbase, 288 inches, and we of course put a headache rack on, our stretch platform like K&D's got in all their trucks, boxes. Did order it with the aluminum fifth wheel. Some other things we've done just more recently, when it was first brought in, we did, Wisconsin Kenworth did put the stacks on it for us. We added a visor at Johnson Hill Customs, and then everything pretty much after that, boxes, platform, the integrated steps into the boxes that go up, because I'm 57 years old, I need steps, Some things we just did here recently. I had a friend of mine that fabricated the steps here. Normally you have a punch hole step on these trucks. We eliminated the punch hole and fabricated in some flat aluminum, and then Road Skins made some nice treads for us.
Okay.
Interior wise, this fall, before we went to Louisville, we totally gutted the inside. There was nothing left of it except for a steering wheel and wires. And I'm sure you've seen videos of that. But then we took every piece of plastic out, was sanded down, painted, cleared, put it back in. The rest of the upholstery in the vehicle was all done by a 25-year-old kid up in Wisconsin that's getting his business started. We went with the black leather with red stitching in it. No button tuck, I didn't want that, but I wanted just the stitching.
Yeah.
So it came out, it was, when we first put the headliners and stuff in, it was really dark. But then we started adding more and more red in, and it came together really nice.
Yeah, no, that interior is unreal. It's absolutely beautiful.
So and then we put a sound system in, of course. Johnson Hills did the air ride. We got a Hovde air ride kit on it. That is on a standard axle yet, so it gets down there. We get it.
Yeah, it does.
So yep. That's about really what we've done so far. And other than touching it up every spring, touch up the frame and stuff every spring. So.
Yeah. How long have you been with K&D?
Since 14.
Wow.
Since 2014. So, what is that now? 8 years now? 8 years this year? Yep.
It's a long time.
Prior to that, I hauled cattle for about 4 years for a buddy of mine, and then I was in retail and manufacturing management.
Okay.
Before that, for about 30 years. So.
Wow.
So, I went back to my roots of trucking from when I was 18, 19 years old with our family operation. So.
Yeah. Yep, and just like I talked about with the other truck, you've got the drum deck, so you actually put that to use and haul more freight and make more money.
That's right.
So that's very cool.
Yep.
All right, well, thanks a lot. And
thanks, Steve.
Beautiful truck.
Thank you.
And thank you.
You bet.